I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Audrey Love Berry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the lovely Berry squad. And if you are not new and you are a returning supporter and you've watched my other nail videos, vlogs, any other video on my channel, thank you very much. Make sure you are subscribed, hit that post notifications, make sure you like and comment down below. On today's video, we are doing these beautiful French design pink. Can you see? Can you see? There we go. Pink and white French tip with a little bit of silver nails. So you guys know I love a good French tip. So I had to bring it to y'all and show it to y'all. So if you are interested in seeing how they look, continue watching.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
So we are going to use this side to file our nails down. We're going to use the toothpick to pull our nail beds back so we can put the nail right on our nail bed there. So let's do that. And we file the nails down so the glue adheres better to the nail. Now, I usually just put the glue on the press-on nail itself and not on my nail. When I put it on my nail is when the glue on the nail, the press-on nail isn't good enough. Comment down below what are good days to post. I've been posting them every Friday around 1 o'clock. But if you guys are on at different times, comment down below and let me know, and let me know what other types of nails you would like to see, because I like to show you all the nails, the press-on nails, because I like press-on nails, but I also like to show y'all what they look on your fingers, so you can just look it up, right real quick while you're in the store to see what they look like, because sometimes looking at them in the box, it doesn't really give you a good representation of how they're going to look on your fingers. So that's my whole, not my whole thing, because I love press-on nails. I love doing my own nails. I used to do them in I used to in high school have the Kiss acrylic set where you would do your own acrylic nails, and they would give you the false nails, and then you put them on here, and then you use the powder, the acrylic powder, and do it yourself, and then you shape it and everything. I remember my mom would tell me to go outside because of the smell. But I went outside and I attempted. Sometimes it was windy, but girl, I was out there. But yeah, let me know, you can DM me on Instagram at Lovely Audrey on there, and send me a picture of the nails, and I can show them. I can go and see if I can find them, and I can do them for y'all, But let me know, or comment down below what nails you want to see me do. So it's looking like I won't be able to get all pink French, but that'll be okay. Okay, let's see. Too big. Should look for a 3. So 2. Too big. 3. I'm gonna do these nails and we're just gonna listen to some music and then we'll get back to spinning.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. They thought the way that you want me to tell me with this all thing, all thing, I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm not telling me what's up in God. I'm not to make me dead, baby. I'm not girl, I want to make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Shopping in Berry or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep
This one I bet you the jabata. Me I no get time, the da. Dada cover my face, calling me Abba. Biggie man wait to be where Abba. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah. there's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my guy. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for
I
me.
know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Only putting trust up in the Lord. I know he's got his hands on it for sure. I know that he's a cure. In every situation, you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid, cause you're in the lead. I know that'll never be the same, cause you set me free. Yeah. That's my guy. He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation. I had to upgrade the title. It's going to be trading faith. It's going to take you trading where you put your faith. And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for people, is take our trust out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise. Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go, and I'm putting it in the one who can actually heal me.
Everything I am, I'm trading.
now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your
Can't keep
wedding
going
ring back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
I'm scared of the changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah, yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and couldn't see why.
All right, lovely berries, this is the final result. Here, so pretty, pretty and pink, pretty and pink, pretty and pink. I know Barbie movie is over, but still pretty and pink. Pink, 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 pink. Anyways, Yes, so I like them. I love them. And they're medium length. I think they came out perfect. No bubbles. No bubble crew over here. No bubble crew over here. Just gonna file down the tabs that are on some of them. But yeah, baby, just like in a salon. Very pretty. All right, that's going to be the end of today's video. Again, if you have made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate you so much. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button to join the Lovely Berry squad and turn on post notifications. Comment down below if you've tried these nails before, and if you like them and you're going to go get them. Make sure you hit that like. I'll see you in the next video. Stay sweet and maybe a little sour. Bye.